Hello. This video explains how to create a multiple choice quiz in Moodle, and first thing we have to do is now turn editing on and add an activity or resource and choose quiz. So, give a name, a demo quiz, and other things let us leave it to default and save and display. So, now it is an empty quiz, there is no questions in it actually, right. So, you can go edit quiz and add questions one by one, but it becomes it's a really tedious job. So, we can go here and see importing a quiz, right. There is a way to import a quiz, and we go for the simple format that is called the Aiken format. And one more thing is, suppose say our course has, if you look at it, it has different categories like the different sections and like the, see suppose we have a question, a quiz in this section, there is something in this section, and if you mix up all the questions it will be difficult to choose. So, we can create categories while importing a quiz. So, let us go back here and go for import, and before importing let us make some categories, right. So, what are the existing categories? Okay, there is an on pages, some quiz is there, and default for Moodle 2. So, it is actually quiz, a demo quiz. So, in here inside this course, right, we can probably create one more thing, and the parent is a course Moodle intro, top introduction to Moodle, and we can create a category. We call it as say some name, whatever it is, Moodle quiz. So, we call it as a demo category. So, it simply creates a category, that is all. So, we can now import quiz into that category. Then you say import, and we use only the simple Aiken format. I will explain Aiken format. Then we have to say here you have to import into which category, demo category. So, import in this category, okay. And now we have to put the file, drag and drop the file here. Say I am putting a file here, and I will show what is inside this file. So, that file is, it looks like this. So, there are three questions. You can see this is the question, very simple, and the answers are A, B, C, and there is a dot, remember A dot, B dot, like that, and finally answer a column, and whatever is the correct answer you give it here. So, very simple format. So, you can easily prepare dozens of questions like this. So, it is much easier than adding them online. So, now our quiz is here, just say import. Oh, there is a problem, no questions in the import file. So, we have to find out what is the reason. This is Aiken Moodle quiz.txt. Did I import the same thing? Aiken Moodle quiz.txt. I think we gave a wrong file, it looks like. So, let me just put this Aiken Moodle quiz.txt, that is what is here. Now, importing into Moodle quiz demo category, say import. Okay, it got 3 questions. So, we gave a wrong file, that was the reason for error message, it could not parse it. So, now say continue. So, we imported a quiz, and that part is over. You can see there are 3 questions, and after that if you want you can edit these questions. So, I will not go into that now. So, we will again come back to the demo quiz here and say edit quiz and add questions. We say add from question bank. So, which section? This is our demo category. So, here only 3 questions just now we added. So, the advantage is now adding these 3 we do not have to pick, because it is a section we can add everything. So, that is why we created a new category and put it. So, now our 3 questions added, and now the marks you can say the maximum grade and all those things. So, it is only 3 questions. So, it should have only a maximum grade probably. Total marks, oh no, it will leave it as 10 itself and save. 3 questions, maximum grade 10, total marks. Okay. So, now this is done, right, and we will go back here and we can do a preview to see how it looks. See, here it is. Show series of pages, or what is this actually. So, this is the correct answer. So, next page, and book and lesson. Lesson contains books, or the book is passive learning, lesson is feedback based. Okay, so answer these, and who enrolled? Students to a course creator, any student. So, this is creator, right? Finish, and you say submit and finish, right. So, this is about the quiz and doing a preview. So, then another, a student will come and view these, then grading, all those things we will cover later.